What's up YouTube, Chris here, aka Dark and Avid. It's been a while. So I bought this box of Donruss. It's been like 2 weeks now or so. It's just been sitting in my room. So finally just gonna bust it. It's relatively new. There's 10 cards per pack and 24 packs per box. It's a really cheap product to bust if you just want to bust something. So it's all the packs, fresh box. Alright, first pack. So what the base looks like. First card is Lou Williams, Courtney Lee, James Johnson. I got like this die cut, alright, of LeBron James. See, like the top is cut off. Green, I don't know. And McGee, Durant. Okay, rookie cards of Aminu, and yes, Timothy Mozgov, the Knicks rookie from Russia. Nice. And checklist. Second pack. This is the top left side. Second pack. Rondo. Okay, we got an insert of Mitch Richmond, Jersey Kings. Okay, rookies of James Anderson. Actually, just one rookie. They're not numbered. Lamar Odom, and oh, nice, a Knicks, like a team insert card of all the new Knicks. That's cool. Well, the card is dirty though. It sucks though. But whatever. Doesn't surprise me from Panini now. I mean, they're such trash. I'm seriously gonna stop buying their shit. It's horrible. Spencer Hawes, yeah, the wall thing. Joe Johnson insert production line. Carmelo, Wado Nahara in his Bobcats uniform. 18. Alright, DeMarcus Cousins rookie card. Ryan Gomes, and another one of those team cards of the Suns. Oh, this pack just feels like a brick. Wow, this has got to be a patch. I mean, look how thick that card is. Alright, Ray Allen, Hibbert. For the next PC, Anthony Randolph, base. Tyson Chandler, and wow, okay, I mean, it's a really nice hit actually. It's a Tony Kukoc patch autograph. Nice 3-color patch of Tony Kukoc. I just said it. Too bad it's a sticker autograph. It's my second Kukoc autograph. I have one, but he's in a Bucks uniform on that card. But this one, technically he's in a Bulls uniform. You can't really see it though, but it's a Bulls uniform. And it's numbered 23 of 25. Nice 3-color patch. Alright, nice first hit. Even though I've been dogging Panini. Definitely take that. And John Wall, base rookie card. Alright, fourth pack. Hill, Chris Paul. We got a duos card of LeBron and Kobe. Marvin Williams, Birdman. Rookie card of Trevor Booker. So I guess you get like one of these team cards in every pack. So I'm not gonna go through all of them. This one feels really thick too as well. Maybe it's another patch in here. It's something. You can see the size of that one. Alright, Ben Wallace, Anthony Murrow, Delfino. You got a Carl's, oh, it's just a filler. Carl's Boozer, I don't know, green parallel, die cut, I guess. Yep, just a filler. J.R. Smith, A.K. Ledmanovic, Pistons team card. Evan Turner rookie card. Alright. Next row, pack 1. Right side. Noah, Beach, Rebco. Another one of these parallel cards. Production line die cut. Wow, look how it's cut so weird. Look at that. Of Brook Lopez. Jeff Teague, Millsap, rookie of Ed Davis, base rookie. And a Hassan Whiteside, rookie card. Next pack, second pack, on the right side. This one feels really thick too, it's probably just a filler. Devin Harris, John Salmons, Sonny Weems, die cut, green. Parallel filler. Reggie Williams base. That's a deep base set when Reggie Williams is in it. Daquan Cook, Gilbert, Avery Bradley rookie card for the Celtics. And base. Alright, third pack. Parker, Jermaine, Brandon Rush, Allen Iverson, Jersey Kings, die cut, green. So many fucking parallels up the ass. Rookie card of Luke Gotti. And base. Fourth pack, I believe. I lost count. This is gonna become 2 videos. So slow. Rip, Troy Murphy, or Josh Smith, die cut, green. I don't know how you tell these apart other than that color. Filler. Charlie Bella, Eric Bledsoe rookie. And base. Corey Maggette in his new Bucks uniform. Elton Brand. Alright. Ryan Hollins' next card is actually looks kind of cool. Actually, I like the design. Other than the stupid lines they put. Press proof insert card, and it's numbered of Dante Jones. It's numbered 40 of 100. You can't really see it at all here, but it's kind of cool design. Rookie was Daniel Orton. Base. Alright, last pack on the top right side. Oh, they really stuffed the cards in here. This pack feels so thick. Bogut, Brooks. We got a jersey card of, oh boy, guy I don't really like, but he's pretty good. Dwight Howard jersey card. Production line jersey card, and it's numbered 70 of 399. Most people think this is a dual jersey. It's not. It's just a single jersey card. They just cut out. It's one piece. Alright. And base. And the rookie is Craig Brackens. Base rookie. And there goes a Kobe base for you. Alright, so start with the bottom left side, pack 1. Fran, Terry, Iggy insert, Gamers. Joe Johnson. Ekpe Udoh rookie card. And I'm going to stop the video here and just start another one, part 2 of this. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, and then the whole other row of 6 packs. So 11 packs left. I'll see you guys right in a minute.